Okay, listen. Sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meter square. If the difference of the perimeter is 24 meter, find the sides of the two squares. Clear? Good. So we are talking about the squares. So two squares. Okay. So let A and B are, let A and B are be the sides of two squares respectively. Clear? Therefore, the sum of the areas of two squares. What is the area of a square? Side square. Okay, clear? Side square. So from the first information, from the first condition, I can derive it is equals to A square plus B square is equals to 468 meter square. Is it first from the first condition? Because area of the first square is A square, area of the second square is B square. When you are adding it, I am getting a 468 meter square. Good. And the difference of that perimeter is 24 meter. Okay. So I am assuming that the length of A may be more than the B. Okay. I am just assuming length of A is greater than B. So that 4A. Why I am using 4A? Perimeter of square is 4A. 4A minus 4B is equals to 24. Okay, this is our first equation and this is our second equation. Clear? Good. So for this is for our idea. நீங்க இப்போ இங்க ரெண்டு வேரியபிள் யூஸ் பண்ண முடியுமா சார்? யூஸ் பண்ணலாமா சார்னா யூஸ் பண்ணலாம், தப்பு கிடையாது. இதுல இருந்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? We are going to bring into the single variable தான். ஓகே, சிலர் டைரக்டாவே கொண்டு வருவாங்க. ஓகே, that is not a problem. நம்ம இத போய் கொண்டு வரலாம். Good. So now if A square plus B square equals to 468. Here 4A minus 4B equals to 24. Can I divide it by 4? இங்க 4A இருக்கு, இங்க 4B இருக்கு, இங்க 24 இருக்கு. செகண்ட் ஈக்குவேஷன் நான் என்ன பண்ண போறேன்? Divide by 4 பண்ண போறேன். So that I am going to get a new equation, that is A minus B is equals to 7. Very good. தூங்கல யாரும் 6. ஏன்னா நான் அந்த 28 ல இருக்கேன், அதனால 7 போட்டேன். சரியா? It is 6. அப்ப A minus B is equals to 6. Therefore what is A? 6 plus B. ஏன் சார் A எடுத்துக்கிட்டேன்? இப்போ நான் என்ன பண்ணலாம்? இந்த A ஓட வேல்யூ எடுத்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஈக்குவேஷன் சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணா I can simplify it. புரிஞ்சா? Now I am going to substitute this A value in the first equation. So from the first equation you can see the changes, that is 6 plus B the whole square plus B square is equals to 468. புரிஞ்சா? So now here again A plus B the whole square. A plus B the whole square. 6 square is 36 plus 2 into 6 is 12B plus B square is equals to 468. Purinchama? Clear? Good. So what is B square plus B square? 2B square 12B plus 36 minus 468 is equals to 0. What is 468 minus 36? 468 minus 636 432. Therefore it is minus 432. Therefore we have 2B square plus 12B minus 432 is equals to 0. Now you can see all the numbers are what? Even numbers. Therefore it can be divided by 2. So when you are dividing it by 2, you will get B square plus 6B minus 216 is equals to 0. So now we brought the quadratic equation. Even in the chapter 2, in the chapter 2 we learned to find the factorization. Can you able to do that now? Find the factorization and tell me the answer. So if you are finding difficult to find that magical number for such big numbers, அதே ஏதாவது நம்பர்ஸ் என்ன பண்ணணும்னா அந்த ப்ராடக்ட் இருக்கு இல்லையா, the number which is product. Obviously the product is 1 into 216, 216, yeah. So for the 216 you just find the prime factors, so that you will have a list of numbers. Adha neenga enna pannalam, mix up panni you can directly find it. Okay, so here it is 108, 254 and 227 and 3. I have a 3 which is equals to 9. So 3 and 3 which is equals to 3 and 3 1. So now you have an idea, so you can mix it up and then you can find the answer. So the thing is, you must have a difference is 6, such a way you have to get it. What it is? 18 into 12. Clear? See? 18 into, so such a way you can bring it. So 9 3s are 18, the balance is 4 into 3, 12. 18 12s are 216. So you can easily identify such a way. So now it is 18 and 12 and minus 216 and our answer must be positive. The addition is positive 6. Therefore you must have a negative sign. So directly I can write, since there is no coefficient other than 1, you can write directly it as b plus 18 into b minus 12 is equals to 0. Therefore what is b? We have two answers, right? Therefore b can be minus 18 or plus 12 b is equals to minus 18 is possible. What is b? Okay, side of the square. b is a side of the square. Can side be a negative? No, it cannot be negative. Therefore you have to mention, since b is equals to, you have to mention it is not possible. You have to mention it is not possible, because in the last year question paper, okay, in the answer key it is compulsory, clear, to mention that whether it is possible or not possible, and especially when it is not possible. So it is not possible because b cannot be negative, because it is a side. Therefore we can have only b is equals to 12. So now b is equals to 12, now a is equals to how much? b is equals to 12, now a is equals to a is equals to b plus 6 da. Appa a is equals to evlo varum? 18 varum. Therefore if b is equals to 12, a is equals to 6 plus b. Clear? 1 2, you can use it as a third equation. From third equation it is 6 plus 12. Therefore a is equals to 18. So now you can write the statement. What is the question? Find the sides of the two squares. Therefore the sides of the two squares are 12 and 18. The sides of the two squares are 12 and 18. Kapanik.